Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Omniversal AirPods Pro. These are lookalikes of the AirPod Pro from Apple. As you can see, you can see what these AirPods look like. They look very much like the original AirPods from Apple. This box even carries a Apple logo. What information do we have? There's not much information on the box. There is another picture of the AirPods themselves, and it's written over here AirPods Pro with wireless charging case. And that's it. This is what all the information you have on the box. Let's just open it and take a look inside. It's written designed by Apple in California, and it's written over here AirPods Pro. This is the user manual for the AirPods Pro. It's written in 2 languages, it seems. Actually more than 1 language, so you can read in whichever language you feel comfortable in. Let's see what else is there in the box. So this is what you find inside the box. Let's take a look at each of these elements. First up we have, these are basically silicone tips here. There you go. These are extra silicone tips. These are the small ones and the large ones. So there you can, I'll give you a closer look. These are the silicone tips. I'm going to leave them here. There you go. And this is the charging cable, the USB-C and lightning charging cable for this particular AirPod. I'll show you the ports. On one end you have USB-C type jack, and on the other you have the lightning port. And now let's take a look at the AirPods Pro themselves. I'm going to remove this particular wrapper first. And there you can see this is what it looks like. It's designed by Apple in Japan. It's assembled in Japan. So this is Japanese technology. There's an LED indicator over here and the lightning port right over here. This is what the AirPods look like. The moment I open this cap over here, the LED indicators glow green, which means there is charge in here, and now this device has entered pairing mode. In another video, I'll show you how to pair this particular AirPods to a smartphone. So this is what the AirPods look like. It has this white finish to it. It has an angular nozzle over here as well. There you can see there's an angular nozzle, and this is what you call a half in-ear design. There's a metallic components at this end, so this is where it gets charged from. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Omniversal AirPods Pro. Thank you for watching.